Yes, I'm sitting in front of my computer, and if you don't believe the internet isn't working, look. Look at this crap. It's been on an endless loop like this forever. Look, it's been like this for hours. So you may be wondering what I'm doing to pass the time. Well, for one, I'm watching Doctor Who on the TV over there, but also, I've made this root beer float. I think I have had a root beer float once, but not for a while. What the heck? The bubbles are like an actual solid liquid. Okay, anyway. See what this has to offer. No complaints. It's basically just root beer and vanilla ice cream, but yeah, I mean, it actually does work together. Much better than ice cream and ginger ale, anyway. Alright guys, so obviously adding the subtitles would be too much work, so now I can talk for a little bit now, so anyway. It's a pop culture asked on my frustration over number 35, YouTube isn't paying me anymore. It's a comment that apparently I need to approve of. Yeah, it's in the review section, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I feel a bit awkward approving of this. I don't know, but the point is that I saw it. It says, shout out and react to my first ever video, most popular video. So here we go. So, right, so your oldest video appears to be this one, but it only has 40 views. Whether this one has 275 views, which appears to be the second oldest, but they both say 7 months ago, so you might have just uploaded them at the same time or something. But if I do go most popular, then yeah, this one is it. So I'm gonna assume it's this one. If not, then please correct me. Yeah, so here we go. Well, what is this? You have 11 dislikes and only 9 likes. Here, I'll be using that out. 10 likes. There you go. Let's see.
This is how you get rid of your hiccups and drink water. You gotta cover your ears. So the second method is use your hands and then pull on your tongue. That is the video of how to get rid of your hiccups. So, if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, comment, like, remember, eat more fruit because you don't swear.
So drink water while covering your ears and pulling your tongue. Alright, well, if I may make some recommendations on how to, then again, this is, like you said, one of your oldest videos, but yeah, I hope that you've learned to kind of know what you're going to say before you say it, because I found kind of you were saying the same thing over and over again, sometimes, and, yeah, I'm not sure, but like the cameraman kind of laughing, or camera woman, or whatever gender, I don't know, but yeah, they seem kind of, I don't know, maybe you want them to be laughing because they seem kind of odd. Most people don't really want the camera people to make noises, but I don't really know. Okay, yeah, I mean, that was a good video. I mean, other than the two things I just said, I didn't really have any complaints about it. And if I mean, like, it's up to you. If you, like, if you're fine with the way that you do those two things, then it's your choice. I'm not the boss. Okay, wish me to get well soon, please. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like so that I know that you enjoyed it. If you didn't like, please leave a dislike so that I know that you didn't enjoy it. Leave a comment down below if you like to tell me why, because it feels awesome to get some motivation and encouragement. If you didn't like it, please leave a comment down below saying why you didn't like it so that I can remember next time. Otherwise, I won't be able to improve, and just guarantee you just like as if it were like. And subscribe so that you know when my next video comes out, and leave me past a new threshold so I can have my ads back. Thanks again so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.